Hello guys again and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today we've got this Parkside pen multimeter model PZM2A2. Measuring ranges are DC voltage 0 to 600 volt, AC voltage 0 to 600 volt, DC current 0 to 200 milliamps, AC current 0 to 200 milliamps, and resistance is 0 to 20 milliohms. 3 years warranty, batteries included, compact, safe for hard to reach places. Nice. For the precise measurement of the direct voltage, alternating voltage, direct current, alternating current and resistance. Includes diode and continuity testing. Compact shape for a hard to reach places. Continuity test with an acoustic signal. Backlight LCD display with automatic switch off function. Nice all that. Let's open it to see what we have inside and how we can use it. And the two batteries. And of course we've got a manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Now at the unit we've got a display, terminal COM, connect this cable, data H button, range max and select button. We've got the rotary knob to make the selection what values you want to measure. Here we've got the flashlight, the LED. At the front we've got the red color test probe. Take this cap out. And from the other side we've got the compartment for the battery. Let's install it. Now let's turn it on. We've got the DC AC voltage, continuity check, resistance settings and diode check. And we've got the direct current settings MA and MA. And you can choose from this rotated knob what is the values you want to check. And by pressing 2 seconds you will turn on the LED. Press again, turn off, press 2 seconds, we'll go to max, here it says max, again press, it will go to auto, press 2 seconds and it will turn on the backlight of the screen. Well, great on that, and I think it's time to test it to see how much accurate values it can give us. Now let's turn it on. I will check this multiple socket, press this button and we'll go to the AC. Press and hold, turn on the backlight. $234 volts. Great. And of course I can check my power adapter from my laptop or any power adapter. Change to DC. And 19.37, correct. And of course you can check at your main electric panel, 233 volts. You can check the battery, 4.07, correct. Okay, now let's go to the diodes and resistors. Press this button to go to the diode. And we've got 567 volts. Auto again. 149. 82. 99.6. 679 milliohm. 39.1 kilo ohms. You can see it's automatically calculating and give us the right numbers. And of course you can press that and you will have the light here, backlight at the display. And when we are measuring and pressing that, we can have a longer range. Great tool to have it with you. If you are an electrician, you will get a very accurate numbers. And of course, why not? If you want some DIY projects to do with electronics at your home, definitely it will be very useful. It cost about 15 euros and it feels very well to my hand. Something premium. The old construction is very good. And with all that, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my videos, your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.